you how to set this desktop background. First, search anything you want first. So after you put that, pick any image you want. Here, wait, I'm gonna help you. So if you want to set your background, right click and click set images as the background. Then there, stretch. Then after that, click set desktop background. After that, there. Now this is how you set your desktop background. Bye.